This machine has a processing area of 2 meters by 3 meters. The 9 kW HQDA cooled spindle supports ATC automatic tool change, and that thick and welding large square tube lathe bed is more stable. The vacuum table can be divided into zones, and a plurality of zones can be independently controlled. The machine uses the NCSTUDIONK280 control system. This system is not only simple to operate. 9 kW HQDA cooled automatic tool change spindle. Speed 0 to 20 for 1000 revolutions per minute. The Y-axis of the machine has an emergency stop switch. High wind score linear guide rail. The table of the machine can be divided into several zones. Each zone can be individually controlled with a switch. High-quality cable wires and drop chains, as well as custom sheet metal. Automatic tool setting instrument. The standard tool magazine of the machine is 8, and it can also be made into 10 or 12. Automatic tool changing woodworking engraving machine. It is very suitable for all kinds of woodworking industries. It is widely used in furniture manufacturing, cabinet manufacturing, woodworking door manufacturing, and other advertising industries. The machine is equipped with a 1 kW studio servo motor and servo drive, and that work precision is higher. Vertical double door, large independent chassis. If you like this machine, please feel free to contact us.